What are you doing?
It's alright. I saw this in a movie once. Trying to get the fastest Conquest in the world. I got an infinity glove, or whatever you call this thing. I keep snapping my fingers, it's not working.
I think your gloves broke, dude.
Oh, you gotta turn it on, I guess.
Yeah, that would help.
You ready?
Sure, go for it.
Alright guys, November 7th, I know it's only like a week away. We're gonna be at Darlington Drag Strip. Hopefully we'll be running the cars, depending on what happens today and if the Supra is fixed. More on that later. But today we got some goodies for the Conquest. A subscriber, I don't even know his name. I just know him by Composite Metal and Fabrication Works or something like that on Instagram. Composite and Metal Works on Instagram. I never got his name, and I'm sorry for that. But thank you so much again. He actually sent me a set of Trilogy turbo injectors. We're gonna throw those in. I got the spacers and the bolts for them, and I also got a new manual boost controller because the Turbo XS that was on it fell apart basically. The top came off and the adjustment screw inside came off, and the one that I had, the the set screw inside of it broke off. So I got this one. This one was only like 20 bucks from Amazon. And
cheaper on eBay.
It's cheaper if I went through their website. I found that out after the fact. But, you know, yeah, I got it from Amazon, so you're probably thinking, oh, that's just another Chinese.
No, that's something someone made from parts at Home Depot.
Yeah. It's an American company. NSX Motorsports. They said they have a nice little note they included with it. Thank you for your order. We cannot express how much your business is appreciated in these trying times. We wish you nothing but the best in the upcoming days, weeks, and months. Best regards, old Phil.
Thank you, Phil.
So go give them a follow. Buy their boost controller. We're going to test it out today, but I saw nothing but good reviews on Amazon. So I'm going to throw that in. The injectors, and I'm getting rid of my oil return line because it has a slight kink in it, which is not good for the flowage down back to the engine. So I got the proper AN fittings. So we're gonna make us an AN return line and use that instead. So we got an action-packed, fun-filled adventure for everyone today. Alright, so we got the old line off, and you can see where it was kinked, and it's actually starting to burn. So I'm going to put this new AN fitting on and see what happens. It's not that bad. Well, I don't know how it's going to be with the 45 on there.
Do you have just a
straight? Yeah, I don't think we'll need the 45.
Okay.
Alright, well, as usual, change of plans. I'm not going to use the AN line because it's kinking too much. Just the fittings in the area that I have to work with aren't working right. I know I should have a bung welded onto the pan and all that good stuff, but for right now it's not working. So what we ended up doing is reversing the fittings. So the block that's going to the the fitting that was going to the front cover, we put that on the turbo and vice versa, because the one on the front cover was a lot shorter, so it's not kinking as bad on the red hose. So that's what we're working with right now. And we still got to do the injectors, which that shouldn't take very long. Probably we have to raise the fuel pressure too, supposedly, to like 50 something. So yeah, that's where we're at. Alright, so after fighting with the oil drain on the turbo for about 30 minutes, we discovered, I don't even know what happened to it, that the holes weren't lining up on the new AN filled, this thing. They were just like, I don't know, a centimeter off, maybe, on each side, so the holes wouldn't line up. So I ended up having to use the old adapter plate. So really nothing changed about the oil line, except on the turbo the fitting is a little bit shorter than it used to be. So it's got more gravity flowage, if that's even a thing. But we got that on, putting on the intercooler pipe, and try and fire it up, see if we have any fuel leaks and oil leaks.
leaky leaks.
I call that a win. I call that a win.
Whoop, whoop.
Now I just gotta tune it with the new injectors. But it's gonna have to be for another video because our time limit is up. So again, thank you to the guy, or I feel so bad I don't know his name. Composite and Metalworks.
There you go.
On Instagram. Thank you so much for the injectors. They seem to be working fine. No leaks or anything, so thank you. And huge thank you to what was it, NSX Motorsports, for sending that boost controller out so quick. I haven't been able to get it, I haven't tested it out yet, but I'll probably drive the car to work a couple times this week to get ready for Darlington. So go follow at NSX Motorsports on
NXS.
NXS? What do I say? NSX.
You keep saying
NXS Motorsports. Oh, hi. So, November 7th, next week, we're going to Darlington, whether the cars go or not. But I think Grandpa may. Randall is having problems with a freeze plug.
And every fluid on the car leaking.
Well, not anymore.
Well, the oil leaks are fixed, finally. But now I've got, well, hopefully the power steering leak's fixed. And, yeah, then I had a freeze plug go.
So.
Anybody want to buy a Supra?
Cross your fingers. But for those of you that are somewhat local, we're gonna meet me, Randall, and his dad. His dad's going too. We're gonna meet at the old Kmart parking lot in Conway, South Carolina, at 9 o'clock. We're gonna leave around 9:30 to get there by 11 when it starts. So if you want to come hang out, come join us. It'll be fun. We'll probably need the extra help when these cars break down on the way.
Bring fluid.
Bring a trailer too.
I'll drive the truck and the trailer since
Well.
Supra will make it.
So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Oh, is it too late for a shout out?
No. Oh, I meant to do a shout out on the podcast earlier, but oh well. Go
We'll
ahead.
get the next one. Oh, I was going to say, check out Build One More.
Oh, yeah.
He's got a burnout car. A benzo.
Yeah, diesel turbo.
Yeah, so go check him out. Should be a cool, fun build.
He's building that for Cletus and Cars in Florida.
Yep.
So check them out. Give them a subscribe. And have a nice day.
We love you.
Peace.
Bye.